Hello everyone, we are at 13th Die Mould exhibition happening in Bombay. I am at the stall of FIBRO with Mr. Kamlakar Patil from Mahindra and Mahindra, the esteemed customer of FIBRO. As I stand at FIBRO's booth, we would like to understand, the business of Mahindra in the particular field where you're using FIBRO's cam units or probably the presses which they have. Could you please elaborate on what Mahindra is doing in this aspect?
So in this we are using compact cam many times. So we have many times the space is our concern. For that purpose, you have the very good introduction this product, that is with compact space, and with reliability you have introduced steel material, that is also we find useful. So for a tooling industry, I will say space is a number one concern, as products complications are implicated. Number of toolings are reducing. For reducing the number of tools, these cams are very useful.
Also, apart from cams, you might be using some other products of FIBRO, right?
Yeah.
So, if you can elaborate on that, how that is helping and creating an advancement in your processes.
Yeah, I will. So many products we have used, specifically gas spring also. That their sensor IoT, the means in industry ports, you have introduced first product that is with pressure sensing.
Yes.
So that is very useful on the maintenance point of view. So that helps us to control the quality of the parts, because otherwise it was very critical for the maintenance purpose. And the conical balancer new products, and I will be more happy because we have introduced made in India.
Yes, these are the made in India products.
Yeah.
Last question to you would be to enhance your relationship with FIBRO. Of course, you've been using the products. Now that they have a new launches, what you can expect from FIBRO even more, and how you will be taking your relationship ahead?
So actually from many years I am expecting something substitute for rotary cam and then the pillars cams. So that I am working with FIBRO many times, or requested FIBRO to give some products in the rotary cam.
Thank you so much for giving us this particular insights, and we wish you the great collaboration with FIBRO ahead. Thanks a lot.
Thank you. And regularly I have received very good collaboration from FIBRO team, Ram and team.
Thanks a lot for this feedback.